What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about FBOMB NFT. These guys are a hilarious exclusive NFT that are going to be dropping soon, and I highly suggest you guys check them out. I'm going to tell you guys exactly why throughout this video. Before we start though, I want to mention we are not financial advisors. Please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing into this token. I want to mention this is also a paid collaboration. They are also funding us for this project, so do keep this in mind. Now I want to start talking about this NFT because there's so much to talk about and it's such an interesting project. So as you can see, they are probably the most controversial NFT drop of the fucking year by F times. Now come join the FBOMB family on Discord. We'll share with you guys the Discord soon, but check this out. They have 9,999 unique additions, 200 plus BOMB attributes. They are going to be minting on the 2nd of February on 2022 and over 15,000 people following them in total. Now check it out. So on the announcement, they have whitelist and pre-sale. The whitelist is happening on January 31st, 2022, and February 1st is the pre-sale for you guys to get in and get it early. Now brace yourselves, the clock is ticking on these FBOMBs. FBOMB is a collection of randomly generated NFTs as the F word itself, and undoubtedly the most controversial NFT drop of the year. These FBOMBs created on the Ethereum blockchain have escaped to wreak havoc and humor across the globe. Unfiltered, uncensored, and with a heavy dose of humor, the FBOMB can't be tamed. Now each mischievous digital PFP character is looking for a human owner. Whether you're an aged punk, goat, lion, rabbit, or just love dropping the FBOMB, looking at you, Samuel L. Jackson, all are welcome on our R-rated community. We all use it and we all effing love it. The FBOMB is a universal brand that appeals to the global marketplace. The word fuck can be translated or at least understood in every language. However, the FBOMB is not limited to an angry fuck everything attitude. We created the FBOMB to represent the same range of expression as the word fuck can elicit. The FBOMB is expressive for everything from excitement and joy to pain or disappointment. It's a colorful adjective and a vivid verb. So we built that diversity into the FBOMB characters. Now you can check out a little bit about their story. So once upon a time, wrong story. The FBOMB came together not to build a new virtual world, but instead to create a project that would add enormous value to the NFT community on the Ethereum blockchain. Just as we nearly finished, a strange occurrence happened. Our FBOMBs discovered a doorway into the real world, and it turns out the FBOMBs have been observing their human creators and plotting their escape. While waiting for the perfect moment to make their move, they absorbed knowledge from the blockchain and developed intelligence far greater than anticipated. Then they broke free to run loose in the civilian world. That is such a cute little story. Great animation, but be careful. These playful characters may look cute, but they have a short fuse. Get yours now. The team is quite extensive. These guys have a huge backing. The developers have a lot of experience, and they've actually brought on a quite experienced team to do all this, put it together between the marketing, development, everything is there, and they really know what they're doing. A combined of over 100 years of experience in business. This is super impressive, and these guys will definitely do very well when they drop. Now, dropping all our FBOMBs all at once might just blow up the blockchain. So FBOMBs will drop the whitelist members on January 31st, 2022, and then pre-sale on February 1st, 2022, and any remaining FBOMBs will be launched publicly on February 2nd. We plan to drop more collections of bombs over time that may include cherry bombs, stink bombs, C4, and more. Claim here to get your whitelist spot, so you can see here, and these are some of the sneak peeks of their designs. Super cool, guys. I mean, I'm sure you guys know the retro style Bomberman stuff. This is probably like the inspiration that they've had. I think it's great, and I think it's super unique and funny. Now let's talk about a little about the future utility. Our team is committed to creating the utility for our community to ensure the longevity of FBOMB brand and its NFT holders. We plan on providing value in the real world and in the metaverse, from a community wallet and airdropping NFTs to charitable donations. Check our roadmap for more details on the benefits of FBOMB NFT holder. There are two parts of our plan that we'll be very excited about, which is first launching FBOMB Central, an NFT news environment platform. But the really exciting part about our future utility, creating a digital ERC20 tradable token. Our team will create the branded token after mint, and it'll be tradable token on the exchange. We'll reward 10% of the ERC tokens to the FBOMB holders on a pro-rate basis. We have big plans to offer entertainment, escape empowerment, and plenty of humor along the way. FBOMB NFT is not a one-trick effing pony. More great graphics. Our community, they have a huge community. We've already kind of mentioned that. I'll show you guys a little bit more. This is a roadmap, guys, so you can read here if you want to see exactly what they've been up to. This is super exciting stuff, but I really want to show you something else that they've been up to. I want to show you about their charity that they are launching. Now, this is called Charity TNT. This is probably easily by far one of the most intuitive and bold approaches to crypto, to NFTs, and the metaverse in general. Guys, the beginning of a new era for investments and charitable donations. They are planning on raising $1 billion for charity. We like to say it's a charity explosion. Now, this is bold, I have to say. It is very bold, but it's actually very, very achievable. There's a lot of projects that do very well in the NFT space. And imagine that these guys, you were able to go behind a project that actually had a massive purpose to do massive impact. So let's check out their mission. Our mission is to leverage community, people of influence, and blockchain technology to grow a global movement to make our collective profitability intrinsically linked to positive social impact. Through launching our ERC20 token, we will revolutionize the way that we give back to society and level up our individual impact. 1 billion in donations would make this project the largest charity fund on the blockchain. Now that is something to gloat about, and that is also something to really take into account if you're going to work with somebody. If they have such big plans, you can imagine that they obviously have big budget and big brains to put that together, and it's probably something that you want to invest in. So let's check out the plan. We have mindfully and strategically designed our smart contract for the blockchain to ensure positive result for everyone involved. When paired with our marketing plan, strategic partnerships, and coin mechanics, the supply and demand for CTNC coin creates a long-term sustainability and value to reach our goal. CTNT will create a global movement of like-minded, charitable individuals excited to link our collective profitability to positive social impact. Now, checking out the coin mechanics, coin holders will be able to make money buying and selling the coin as they would any other cryptocurrency, but with the bonus of giving to the charity every step of the way. Charitable donations are the key utility of our cryptocurrency, with 5% of every transaction going to the charity wallet. Now, some of the partners pre-launch of the coin, we are looking for partners. Now, in partners, they are looking for some partners. So if you guys know anybody, let them know in here. You can email them here and just kind of link them with somebody who would be interested in partnering. Learn more and join us, and you can read the white paper as well with way more information. This is so impressive, guys. I applaud them for the effort and the ambition that they have to do this. It seems like they really want to make a difference. I've spoken with them, and they actually have purpose and drive to do something a little bit different than just make a lot of money. And I applaud them for that. So checking out the Instagram, we can see they have 369 followers, nothing too crazy, but they have been mostly focusing on other social media such as Twitter and Discord. The Discord is very active. So the Twitter itself has 7,300 followers, very active as always. Great animations. You gotta love the authenticity to it, if we may. And I have to say again, the graphics, I love them, and I'm excited to mint mine, honestly. So obviously they're very active in here. The engagement's great. We can see that the community has actually grown very strong, and it's helping them actually reach a lot of virality. As you can see, like, really good engagement on their posts. It's very impressive for a project that, it's not very well known so far, but I think that over time this will grow like crazy, especially with the charity initiative, and I think they're gonna go really far. So last thing I want to show you guys is the link tree. If you guys want to actually visit any of the things here, you want to email them, YouTube, Instagram, anything like that, that's all going to be available there. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the Discord. So in the Discord, we can see the chat, very active in the chat. We can see the whitelist information if you want to learn more about that. Any announcements that they have whenever they're partnering or collabing or anything like that, it's going to be there. And obviously you want to see some of the sneak peeks, you can come down to this server. Really good graphics again, very impressive. So Twitter, join the team if you actually want to join them on their mission, some scam alerts to watch out for, and all the other stuff here when you want to go with them and do a Twitter raid. So much, guys. Like I said, I applaud them from day one. These are a project that I've been following very closely for a while now, and now as more things has developed, I wanted to make a video to really highlight this charity thing because this wasn't a thing a while ago when I first discovered them, and now it is. And so I just had to make a video and show you guys what they're doing and why you guys should be a part of this mission, guys. It's not every day that a project like this is able to come out with a caliber of impact that they're planning on doing. So again, I applaud them, and I'm excited to see where they go. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you're going to mint on this. I want to know who's minting. We've been making great money as a community with all the NFTs we've been dropping. I'm really happy to say that. So let me know in the comment section below if you're going to mint, and like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos just like this. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.